Philippines, the fortress of the Spanish colonial government from 1565 to 1898. So this was a military defense structure built here in Cebu by the Spaniards under the command of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. They built this fort on May 8, 1565. And originally, this was made of logs and wooden structure to protect natives then from the Moro raiders. So let's proceed to the first station.
Haka tayong turista na eh.
San Pedro, and it is called Puzo de la Virgen because that image over there po, the Nuestra Senora de la Cota was found inside the well by the two soldiers of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. But that's not the original. The original one po was placed at the Cebu Metropolitan Church.
Talaga? Ito siya parang replica.
Yes po, replica.
You wish. Tama ako na ulit. Kaya nga, bibili pa naman sana ako pang wedding pala.
So, by the way po, this is the lower part of the Vivienda del Teniente. Serves as the gallery of Emmanuel F. Pañares painting. So, all the paintings here inside are also replica. The original one was placed at in Basak, Cebu at the residence of Pañares. So, this is the first painting. This is called Battle of Tres de Abril, the battle between the Spaniards and Katipuneros. And it is called Battle of Tres de Abril because it happened on April 3, 1898. This was the war before we got our independence. And also this man, he is Pantaleon Villegas, also known as Leon Quilat. He was the leader of the Katipuneros and they won the battle against the Spaniards. So guns versus swords. Still
Do you remember this story? Oh, that's part of your section.
So this man, he is Ferdinand Magellan.
Lolo muna ako.
I want you to meet
Ferdinand Magellan.
This is Jethro.
Lolo, your lolo.
Hi, Lolo. Picture.
So he is the navigator and the explorer from the Spanish fleet. Came here in the Philippines on April 14, 1521. But definitely he died after 2 weeks on April 27, 1521.
So who killed Magellan?
Malalaman natin mamaya.
Yun.
He want to colonize the Philippines.
You know that.
So he was looking for the so-called Spice Island, but definitely this is not the Spice Island. Some say it's India, some are Indonesia. So he was mistaken. And also, he planted the cross as a sign of his arrival and the beginning of Christianity here in the Philippines. That's in Magellan's Crossbow.
Oh, yun ang good part. Yes. No? Naging, ng Philippines. No? Naging more...
Historical.
Christian.
So, this man po, he is Lapu-Lapu. He was the chief of Mactan and the native Muslim here in Cebu. And also, he is the one who resisted the offer of friendship by Ferdinand Magellan. That's why the Battle of Mactan happened. So, dito po natin malalaman kung sinong pumatay kay Magellan.
Alam ko nga ma, yung mga sundalo niya.
Alam niyo po. So, this is the Battle of Mactan where Lapu-Lapu and Magellan fought. Then, Lapu-Lapu won. So, according po sa history natin, Lapu-Lapu was the one who killed Magellan, but that's not the truth. The truth was one of Lapu-Lapu's men killed Magellan through poisonous arrow.
Ayan ang attire niya versus dun sa attire niya, no?
Oo. Yun nga. Yan talaga.
Pero ito pong lahat, ito, prospect lang po ng So, ito naman po tinatawag na trading system, which people are exchanging or bartering goods without any money.
Oo, nasa part ng ano yun, nako. Aralin.
This man naman po, he is Raha Humabol. He was the king of Cebu.
King of Cebu, with the big tummy.
Yes po. And as you can see, he has
tummy.
tattoo. And as you can see po, he has tattoo in his face. Symbolizes that he's a great leader.
Great leader.
And also he has tattoo around his body. Symbolizes that he's a brave man. The more tattoo he have, the more enemies he kill. That's the meaning of the tattoo. Just like po, Lapu-Lapu. But he's from Mactan, he's from Cebu. So they were rivals.
The stronger, the brave.
Yeah.
Sino pumatay kay Lapu-Lapu?
Yung ano po, yung tindera po sa...
Hindi ba kusinero?
Tindera po una. So ito naman po, si Queen Juana, the wife of Raha Humabon. And she was given the Holy Child of Santo Niño by Ferdinand Magellan as a gift of peace and the symbol of the start of Christianity here in the Philippines. And the original statue of the Santo Niño was placed at the Basilica Church. And also, her tattoo symbolizes the numbers of men that came into her life. So,
Isang guhit gano'n.
Hindi niya pinatay.
hindi po. Lovers niya lang. 5 lovers.
5
Mahaba na gano'n.
2, 4, and 5 lang.
Ano, blood compact ko.
So, this painting, this is
Noon pa
called
man,
Blood
may mga
Compact.
lovers na.
The beginning of friendship between Magellan and Raha Humabon because they
Mataba
were
talaga si Rahumab.
Malaki na yung kami niya.
Sorry, Chan.
Just like him.
And this happened here in Cebu in 1521.
15.
Blood compact.
And this man, he is Enrique de Malacca. He is a multilingual man and the interpreter of Magellan because Magellan cannot speak native Filipino language. And also he's a half Malaysian and half Filipino. And also behind Enrique de Malacca, he is Antonio Pigafetta. He was the one who drove the old map of Cebu. And also the chronicler of Inside the Voyage of Magellan. Japanese armor. Because after the Spaniards, the Americans also came here and used this fort as their military barracks. Then after, the Japanese used this fort as their hospital. So one of the Japanese soldiers left this armor here in fort. Prison cell po. Opo.
Prison cell to?
Opo. And by the way po, this was the first sport that Miguel Lopez de Legazpi built. The second one is Fort Santiago.
Ano ito man, ano?
Yes po.
Yun ang ano nila before.
Saan yung CR nila? Saan yung CR? Dito.
Ah, dito?
Pero original pa to. Ito.
Kinuha lang po ang board.
Inalis lang yung bar niya.
Receive tayo?
Tulong ka.
Ay, galing ko sa AP, oh.
Oo. Ito ka, nagbablog si Kakayas eh.
Hindi ka na nag-post, eh.
Oo, post na tayo.
Ay, post na, wala ka nang ginagawa, eh.
This is the upper part of the Vivienda del Teniente or the Lieutenant's Quarter. Serves as the storage room here in Fort San Pedro. But this is where the office of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the one who built the Fort San Pedro. No po, it was damaged.
Ay, gano'n.
So
Pero
proceed po
inano na
tayo
siya,
to
no?
know the history of
Na-renovate na yung...
Kasi pwede mo makapaloob.
Wala na storage. Wala na lang.
happening way back. The Fort San Pedro is in a triangular shape and it has 3 bastions. Do you know what bastion means po?
What is bastion?
Bastion po is a Spanish term for watchtower.
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 pala talaga yung tugtog na to.
Watchtower.
For the
So-
araling panlipunan.
Sa amin,
we
ano
have
yun?
here-
Gola.
Ah,
Gola tawag sa
Bola in
Philippines.
Muntinlupa.
so we have here the Bastion La Concepcion, Bastion San Miguel, and also Bastion Ignacio de Loyola. And the 3
That,
Ano to, ano to?
Parang yung
dito
Tramuros,
po,
Ah.
Bastion Ignacio de Loyola,
Okay, tapos susunod.
Bastion San Miguel,
Okay,
and
next.
Bastion,
San Miguel,
Bastion La Concepcion.
Ito.
And the 3 bastion symbolizes the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Mm.
And it was named after the three flagship of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi.
Okay.
So we have also original cannons from the Spaniards.
Ah, ito.
So every bastion po meron 6 cannons. A total of 18 but 14 lost in fort because the Americans took the fort as a souvenir.
Kasi iba na.
Ano pa? Ayaw pa ano? Hindi pa yan. Ano parang nakatalig siya?
Sinemento na lang po.
Parang hindi gumalaw.
Before po, ang ano po niyan is woods. Na yung parang kariton po.
May gagalaw.
14.
14 na lang po natira. Baka gusto niyo po magpa-picture. This
Parang
present
Tamuros, ah.
structure is made of corals and mortar stones.
Mm.
And before po, there was no cement existing. So they used egg whites and limestone.
Wow. Galing,
And
no?
has been existing po
Saan ginamit?
sa ano po, sa wall. Except ano po, instead of cement.
Wala pa semento nung araw, eh.
Baka ganun palang igway.
And has been existing po for almost 291 years. Some maybe. Pero if we include the wooden structure, it's almost 460 years. But still, the woods are original.
Mm.
No termites?
Wala po. Hindi po siya tatabla.
Talaga? Ay, hindi na tataglan, no? Hardwood?
Yakal po ang tawag sa
Kapag yakal hindi na ano ng termites. Anay?
Parang maganda kami sa bahay, no?
silip lang.
Silip lang.
So ito naman po ay kwarto ng mga soldiers.
Mm.
Or tinatawag na Cuerpo de Guardia.
Mga gwardya.
Function hall na lang po siya ngayon. So nire-rent po sa... Opo, nire-rent po nila sa loob.
Ano doctor? Ano sino nagre-rent?
Mga ano po, mga tao po sa Luzon kung sino po gusto mag-rent. So 6,000 per rent.
Additional ba? Baka na rin nag-rent sa wedding. Additional ba yan? Kumbaga
Parang
parang
gusto
gusto
nyo
mong...
pa-picture dito po with the flag. Group picture.
Okay.
Bastion San Miguel. And
Samto na ka after ng ano, tour.
And at
Hakme.
one corner attached to its wall is the Almazares del Pulvora, or the storage of the arms and gunpowders of the
Doon mas
Spaniards
maganda.
before.
Mm.
And also po meron ditong smallest cannon.
Okay.
Yan po ang smallest cannon dito sa Fort San Pedro. And if you're wondering po why they placed the smallest cannon here, because this area was an open land before, and this area with a bigger cannon.
That's the spelling of bastion?
Yes po. This area before was surrounded by sea waters. So the bigger cannon po is for the pirates. And also po, this structure is not included sa original po structure.
Ay, ito.
It was built on 1950s during they used this as garden. And ano po, caterpillar chamber.
Pero nilagyan na lang
Butterfly
ng...
conservation.
Nilagyan na lang ng...
Ito yung pinaka-armory. Yung sa pulbura. Ito.
Opo,
Storage.
po ng arms and gunpowder.
Storage na arms and gunpowder.
Yung red palachuchi or pink palachuchi symbolizes love.
Ano symbolize ng red?
Love,
Yung white,
purity.
purity. So, anong ibig sabihin? Anong meaning ng kalachuchi? Ande.
Basta,
Mabango din ba
ano
to?
siya?
Pero ano siya, bulaklak siya ng
Patay.
patay
Pati
talaga.
yung ano,
Ito po hindi.
bulaklak ng white.
Love.
Medyo patay.
Love.
Medyo patay. Medyo patay. Mukhang patay.
Red, love. Yung white,
Patay.
Purity,
Purity.
and also death.
dead.
So, proceed tayo po sa last. Qualified sa Philippine Airlines. Kasi yung height ko,
Cebu pa.
baka lang po, Air Asia.
Ah, yeah, yeah, siya.
For
Mm.
5
Dapat ay mga 5-5.
May ano sila po eh.
Height limit.
Ano, pag nandyan na yung event?
Mamaya pa po, 5.
Go. Nak.
Means po, friendship.
Friendship naman yung yellow. Gusto ko ng ano, red and yellow Kalachuchi bonsai.
Cool siya?
Hotel po for mariners.
Hotel yan.
So ito po yung last bastion, the Bastion Ignacio de Loyola. And it was planted with herbs and spices. And also we have the bone chamber of the Japanese Imperial Army. All the bones po na na-recovered nila under SRP tunnel, nilagay po nila dyan.
Until now, nandiyan pa?
Apo.
Pwede masilip.
Apo, pero di na po makita yung mga bones kasi tinabunan na po. Yung parang pansyon po sa left side.
Okay.
Yan po.
Lovers Lane din pala to, no?
Opo, ang dami dito sir, nagde-date-date.
Maganda.
Minsan nga po nagmumomomol,
Ha?
nagkiki.
Ah. Ito yun.
Last bastion.
Yun yung pancho na yun, ano? Yun yung mga buto.
Saan nakalagay yung buto dito? Yan ma'am, yung buto.
Opo, yung grape. Sa may...
Ayun yun.
Opo.
Parang square.
So meron kami dito Luternate.
Yan ba yan?
Oh, may water. Sarap
Ito
naman.
yun.
Saan ba rito mga swimming yan?
Malayo. Insulin plant for diabetes.
So ano siya, no? Herbal.
Actually po, yung insulin plant ginagamit namin, instead na vinegar po ang ginagamit namin, insulin po para sa vaccine.
Eh, ba't may mga soda doon?
Decoration lang po.
Decoration. Herbalist kasi ito eh. Hindi ka na. Okay ba?
Ano yung tatlong bastion?
Bastion was Bastion La Concepcion, Bastion San Miguel, and Bastion Ignacio de Loyola. And it was named after the three flagship of Miguel Lopez Ligas.
Letra A, kalabas sa Pisyan.
So proceed po tayo.
Okay.
Actually po, mas mabango.
Fix na Leon.
Actually po, 61 na siya po ang nag-originate ng sinulog.
Anong month siya?
January.
Sinulog. Pati yung ano, tawag doon yung...
Yung wooden structure pa siya.
Anong wood pa siya?
And ito yung surrounded by six. Actually po, ayun po. Inaanay na po siya pero hindi po siya natama.
Ito ang harap. Harap ko?
Opo, harap. Ito yung likod. Hindi po na tatagal. Hindi po siya nakakaila.
Naanay pala ang yakal pero hindi tinatablan.
Opo.
Nabubungi yung ipin nila.
Baka sir.
Yan. Lakad ka.